Hey guys, it's Saturday afternoon. I realized after watching the weather the other day that I had about 5 days of fall and it was going to turn winter here in Tennessee, which ain't nothing unusual, but I've been putting it off, but I've got down to the point I've got to do something for my fall planting I've did. It's supposed to be 37 tonight. I'm thinking to stand up I guess you'd call it a poor man's hothouse. I don't really have the money to put into one, and I'm going to use the stuff I got laying around here, and it's going to be fairly simple. You can see the 4 posts. I've showed this on other videos. We drove them not too long ago. They've been squared. They're about 20 feet apart, 16 feet wide. That's what we had at the time to measure with, and it was a good distance for pulling the tape. They're fairly close. No, we didn't. We checked it diagonally. We didn't check it with the 3-4-5 method, but it's a greenhouse. It don't have to be perfect. I'm gonna stretch the string, drive a couple posts in the middle and one on each end to kind of lengthen the thing out. I'm gonna put some plastic on. I thought I'd bring y'all along for this little journey. Well, I measured off and stretched the string between the posts, and I drove a post down at the far end. I can get the camera down there. Right there. I've got the string tied on the opposite end. I think I put one here. Stretching the string just kind of keeps them in line. Like I said, I'm not trying to be perfect on this. I'm just trying to get a fairly straight line that the plastic and the pipes and stuff will work with. I've got a measurement down here of 5 feet. I'm going to stand the post up when the string lines up. That's where I'm going to drive it. The string should keep me all in line. I can tie this string off and I get down this post, and I can put one in the middle, and I'll have all 5 posts on one side. And I'll put 5 posts on the other side. Pretty straight, right there the line's touching all 4 posts. That'll be close enough. Now, I'm not driving these all the way down because I'm going to lean them in. I built the greenhouse. That's what the pipe's going to attach to. I'm really not worried about how deep right now. As long as I can still move them, they're in the ground. It'll help hold the pipe in a half round shape. All 4 posts, the strings touching them. I'm gonna lean them in, zip tie the PVC to it, make my half round out of the PVC, and I'll cover it with plastic. I won't have a very tall greenhouse at this time, but it'll be good enough for what I'm doing. I'll probably go back later and add a little to it and raise it up, but right now we don't want a real high roof because you want the heat down closest to the ground. Once I get a top on it and get it where the wind's not blowing so hard, I'll probably try to get more of the plastic and the ground cover on the inside. Mainly black things where it'll draw the heat, help hold the heat in the greenhouse better. Main thing this is going to do is keep the frost off. It'll prolong the life of the broccoli and the cauliflower and the cabbage. A light frost might not kill it, but a good heavy frost that hits the ground usually will wipe them out. All this is really going to do is shelter them a little bit, keep a little more heat in. I include the onions and the carrots in it it ain't really don't really matter about the onions and the even the garlic's in there, but it don't really matter about them. They'll grow in the snow. But the carrots, I'm afraid the tops will die out on them before I get a good sized carrot. So I decided to cover all of it. I'm gonna get another post and drive one in the middle, and then we'll set up on the other side and get it done. Well, the string lined up pretty good. I guess I'm ready for the adventure of trying to put the pipes up. More fun I really won't, but I guess it'll work.